Welcome to 9.3 Geometric Probability. We're going to start with what is probability. The probability of an event happening. An event is an outcome that happens when a game or experiment is done. So in terms of geometry, we're talking about shapes. The probability of hitting a section of a dartboard. The probability of throwing a beanbag through a hole. The probability of getting the ring on the Coke bottle. So the probability of an event happening is the portion favorable, which is the portion that it's asking about, over the entire shape or line. The ways that we can write our answer: as a fraction, as a ratio, or as a percentage. And typically we're going to talk about percentages with probability. So an example here. If AD, the whole line, is 24 and BD is 17, what is the probability of landing on AB? So the first question is, how long is AB? Because that's the portion favorable. Well, since the whole thing's 24, part of it's 17, we're going to subtract. We find that AB is 7. So now to find the probability, we do 7 out of the whole, which is 24. 7 over 24 is 29%. Okay, our next example, what is the probability of hitting the green section, assuming that both shapes are squares? So we find the area of the green square, find the area of the whole square, and we do green over whole. So 3.5 times 3.5 over 11 times 11. Once we get that, we get 10%. The next section, find the probability that the spinner will land on region D. D is 110, and the whole circle is 360. So it's 110 over 360, and that's about 0.305, so it's 30.5%. The next one. Here, throwing balls at his sister, who is currently in the circular pool from behind a fence. The pool has some areas that his mother is lounging around on, which is the shaded region. What is the probability that the ball will that he throws will land in the area that the mom is in, which is the shaded region? So we're going to find the area of the whole square. 10 times 10 is 100. We're going to find the area of the circle, which is the pool. The radius is 5, so 5 squared pi is 78.5. The area that the mother's in, which is the shaded region, is the area of the whole square minus the area of the circle. So 100 minus 78.5 is 21.5. So the probability of hitting the shaded region is 21.5 over the whole thing, which is 100. And that gives us 21.5%. That's geometric probability. Good luck in practice.